In this tutorial, we'll understand how we are going to use least square method, that is LSM model, to evaluate linear regression. So before we proceed, we must understand how to calculate mean value. So mean can simply be calculated by adding the set of values and dividing by the number of quantities. In this picture, we can check here the total value of salary divisible by 7. So the mean value will be 400. Let's analyze the coordinates of regression line. Here, x-axis holds the independent variable, that is salary, and y-axis holds the dependent variable, that is purchasing capacity of the user. If we observe here the observation 1, it is located at 100, that is x-axis value, and 30, that is the y-axis value. So the coordinates are 100 and 30. Similarly, observation 2 holds 200 is the x-axis value and 40 is the y-axis value. The coordinates are 240. We must understand always the regression line must go through the x mean value and y mean value cross. So here 400 is the x mean value and 50 is the y mean value. The coordinates are 400 and 50. Here regression line must go through. Let's analyze the error in x-axis here. The estimated point, that is your mean value, that is 400, and the various type of observations are here, that is actual point. So actual minus estimated value of x-axis, that is error in x-axis here. So error is equal to x minus x bar. Similarly, in y-axis now we'll analyze. So here same case, error is equal to y minus y bar. Y is the actual value in y-axis and y bar is known as estimated value in y-axis. Let's analyze the error. So here x stands for independent variable and x bar, that is mean value of x. So x minus x bar represents the error. So 100 is the x value in x-axis and 400 is the mean value of x. 100 minus 400, that is negative 300. Same mechanism we can use to calculate the error of x-axis observations. Now let's move to analyze the y-axis error. So here y value is 30, that is y-axis value, and the mean value, that is y bar, is 50. So the error is always the actual value, that is 30, minus the mean value of y, that is 50, So 30 minus 50 is equal to negative 20. So y minus y bar represents the error of y-axis, that is negative 20. Same method we can use to calculate the error of y-axis for each and every row. So here the most important point is we have to analyze the error in both x and in y-axis. So next column represents x minus x bar whole square. It is very easy. X minus x bar stands with minus 300 whole square is equal to 90,000. So similar method we can use to calculate each every row. Let's analyze the next column, that is x minus x bar whole multiply with y minus y bar, that is minus 300 into minus 30, that is 9,000. Same method we can use to calculate each and every row. So all the columns and its calculation is completed in this table. Now we'll calculate the sum of x minus x bar whole square, that is 2,70,000. It will be represented as summation of x minus x bars whole square. Same process, the summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar, that is 24,000. Let's estimate the values of v0 and v1 in regression function. So v0 is known as the constant or intercept point of regression line. First, we'll derive the v1 values. So v1 is equal to summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar divisible by summation of x minus x bar whole square. If we place the values here, then v1 will be equal to 24,000 divisible by 2,70,000, that is equal to 0.08. We can derive it by using the equation here. Always remember, the summation of x minus x bar whole square will be in the denominator, and summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar will be in the numerator. This is an important point. Let's place the v1 value in the regression function. So y cap, that is equal to 50, the mean value is equal to v0 plus 0.08 into 400, that is x value. So 50 is equal to v0 plus 32. Next, v0 equal to 50 minus 32. The value of v0 will be 18. So now the v0, the intercept point of regression line, stands at the point of 18. Here is the location. So the most important point is identifying the V0, the interceptor point. So what is the conclusion point here? So we derive the V1, that is 0.08, and we got the V0 value, that is equal to 18. X stands with the mean value, that is 400, and Y value stands with 18 plus 0.08 into 400. So this is the evaluation of linear regression by using LSM model. Thank you very much, guys. In the next video, I will show you evaluation of linear regression by using R-square method. Thank you very much, and thanks for your time. Please subscribe the video, place the comments such that I can reach to you with more interesting topics. Thank you, guys.